Hi, this is Patty from Patty and Frank's Crafty Corner. I have the Poky Little Puppy's First Christmas Golden Book that I have done in a Baby's First Christmas or Puppy's First Christmas theme. You could use for either one. We've got a tassel back here. It does have a little puppy paw on it, a little stocking. There's a Christmas tree charm down here. And a snowflake and lots of ribbon and stuff. We've got a ribbon closure here. Let's get inside and I will show you around. All right. We've got the original book pages inside. This is from 1993, it says. I thought it was earlier than that, but this is, it just says My First Christmas there. You can put a photo of puppy or baby, whichever, and visit with Santa. There's lots of pictures, picture spaces and writing spaces in this book. We've got a naughty or nice scroll from Santa in here. Lots of spaces to write in. You can put a picture of your Christmas tree there. Some more Christmas tree photos. There's a pocket with tags. Lots of writing space and photo spots. This is where you can record baby or puppy seeing lights for the first time, Christmas lights. You can write in there. Picture spaces here. You can write down who visited or who you went to visit, and there's picture spaces for your visitors. Lots of picture space. We've got favorite carol. More picture space and writing space. There's a tag in this pocket here. We've got more picture space. More picture space here, and I just left some lines for you to tell about that picture. We're going into signature 2. There are 3 signatures in this book. This is Christmas outfit. You can put baby or puppy's very first Christmas outfit photo here inside the little dresser. And there's Christmas presents. These open up for photos. You can write down all the presents, the gifts that were given. This opens up for more photo spots. Lots of writing space, more book pages, favorite toy for baby or puppy. Lots of picture space, some tags in here. I have little journaling cards back here and there as well. Oops. This is favorite toy. I don't know if I said that already. There's some more spaces to write and put photos. Baby's first stocking. Inside this is some candy cane paper with lines so you can write down what was in the stocking. And the photo there. Lots of spaces to write and add photos. Record all your special memories. These tags can be used on gifts if you like, or you can write whatever you'd like to on them. There's photo spaces and writing spaces. We get into the third signature, the first ornament. We have a shaker here, And behind the shaker is where you put baby's photo or puppy's photo, depending on what you're doing with this book. And we've got little ornaments here where you can put pictures inside. Baby or puppy's first Christmas breakfast, lunch, and then of course there is dinner in here somewhere. Writing space, dinner. There's some more tags here. More writing space. More picture space. More visitor space for pictures with visitors. And writing favorite treat. Tradition. And that's it. That's the end of Poky Little Puppy's first Christmas. I hope you like it. It will be up on eBay soon for auction. I hope it goes to a good home that will cherish it for a lifetime. And yeah, I just thought this would be a cute way to record puppy or baby's first Christmas. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Bye-bye.